From the summit of yonder ancient tower, O solitary bird, unto the fields you sing, and sing until the daylight dies. And through the valley the sweet notes are wandering. Spring with a bright sheen fills the air around and riots through the land, so that the heart is touched to tender joy. Listen, flocks are bleating, cattle lowing. The other birds contend delightedly in 1,000 circling flights through the free sky, welcoming so the season of their gladness. Aloof, you watch them wistfully. For you, no companions, no swift flights. For merriment you care not, sport you shun. You sing, and thus in song spend the fair flower of the year and of your life. Alas, how like to yours my way of life would seem! Pastime and laughter, those sweet companions of our early years, and thou, youth's twin-born brother, love, thou bitter regret of our autumnal days. For you I care not. Why, I know not. Nay, from them fain would I flee afar, almost a hermit, strange to my own native place. Thus do I pass the springtide of my life. This day, now fading into night, our town is one to celebrate with festal welcome. Listen, upon the stillness a bell peals. Listen, echoing from distant farm to farm, the sound of guns shot off again and again. In festival attire, forth from the houses troop maidens and youths, and scattered through the streets, merry at heart, to see and to be seen. I, going forth alone to this secluded spot among the fields, put off all sport, all joy, until some other time. Meanwhile, a glance traversing the bright air reaches me from the sun, who mid far mountains after the tranquil day sinks down and disappears, and seems to warn us that happy youth likewise must fade away. Poor solitary bird, when you shall come to the evening of your life the stars accord you, sure you will not regret your loneliness, for in you all your longings by nature are implanted. To me, if fate forbids me to escape the abhorred threshold of old age, when my eyes to the hearts of others shall be mute, when empty the world shall seem, and yet more foul and tedious the morrow than today, how then to me will this longing for loneliness, this my sad youth and my own self appear? Ah me, remorsefully often shall I look back and find no comfort.